Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today I have a project share for you. It's for inspiration. There is no tutorial. This is an 8.5 by 6.5 album and it has a 2-inch spine. The paper I used was the Stamperia Savana, and I only used one paper pack in this, so this was kind of limited on what I can actually do with it, but I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. So I'll take you around. I'll bring this up a little closer. This was a fun paper to work with. The colors were amazing. What do I got there? Oh, little thingy. Okay, opening it up. Now one thing is I did have to add in some solid colored cardstock because there just wasn't enough paper to do my picture mats. So over here I have a large fold out, and it's magnetic and it folds out, and there is a pocket. And one thing about this is I left it so I could do a tuck if I wanted to. Next page is a large fold out, and it's magnetic, and that gives me a wonderful spot to place a photograph. Plus I have a side pocket here, and I have a couple picture mats in there. Now I could have done a lot more with this, adding more of the cut aparts, but I used what I wanted to. I didn't want to overdo it. The paper is kind of busy, but I tried to maneuver it so it wasn't so clustered, I guess you would say. So I left out a lot of the cut aparts in this. Over here we have the same thing. It's a magnetic fold out, and inside place for photo, and then a little tuck or a small little side pocket here for my photo mats. And my photo mats, I make my photo mats so that I can at least get some of the decorative paper or the solid colored cardstock to frame around it, and it looks really sharp that way. So that's why when I do my tutorials, I try to leave enough of the decorative paper that will frame around my photographs. Over here we have a large fold out, and then this is magnetic here, and it just opens up for some smaller photographs. And it's also a tuck. And then opening up here I have a large pocket. And then here, this is just like a pocket or a tuck back behind the elephants to hold my picture mats. This page I left alone. Now what I should have done is do just one less inserted page, and then I would have been able to be a little more creative with the paper pack. So what I ended up doing is just doing a layout like this of one of the prints that I really liked. However, it does give me space right up here to still get a photograph. Any little thing up there, or just leave it. So over here I have this, and this is where you can slide back behind a photograph to hold it in there. And that's magnetic, it opens up, and then this space here is for photograph placement. And I've got a pocket. So this was a super simple design, took me no time at all to do. And up here this is a tuck. I think it came out pretty nice. There we go. And then that's magnetic, it opens up, and I have another pocket for picture mat storage, so it will hold quite a bit. And then if I wanted to place a mat down here, glue it down, or just the photograph, I could do that. So that's what I created using the paper. I really enjoyed working with it. It wasn't difficult at all, and it's a nice theme for maybe a travel or just a everyday type album where you can stick your photographs. I hope you've enjoyed this. I am now going to be, after this, working on a tutorial for not this album, but for a larger album, and it will be using the Stamperia You and Me paper. That's going to be a larger album. And I think you'll really enjoy that once I get that done. So happy crafting. I will see you real soon on my next video.